So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day, the last day of the week. Yesterday, we had a good recover in Tokyo session for 170 pips. So, that was beautiful. Tokyo session give us four trades, really good pips for three wins. Just one stop loss. For New York session, give us three stops, but yesterday give us a really good trade for a full take profit. So at the end, we did eight trades, four wins with one full TP and more pips than the stops. So that is beautiful. That is beautiful. That's great. Difficult week, but well, it's part of the trading. You know, let's prepare the sell position. Let's reserve the sell position. Necio, este carepicha, ese necio, imbécil. Cago en su madre, la verdad. Vende humo. Dejo del otro lado, mal parido. So, well, let's see. We got this point of entry. Let's prepare something here. We need the price to stay near to the 5,000, because if not, you can apply for the sell position. Can I sell? Wait, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. At this moment, the price looks very volatility. So we will try to remember, use the correct lot size for your accounts. Pablo, buenos días. Yes, I'm trying to find something good into this point. So well, let's see. Be ready. We already got the confirmation. So well, the price is in a little confirmation there. So let's try to open the position there in 5,000. Just waiting some seconds more. Okay. So let's try the position there. I will open the position now. Let me see. Closing the proper point. So let's wait. Okay, 49.95. 98. Good. So let's see the position there. Okay, position it's taken. 49.99. PP1. Working into the TPS. $49.88.50. Let's see, I'm working into the TPS. Remember, the stop is 49.50, 11.50. We had reduced lot size. So try to be clear. 49. I made a mistake here. 49. One candle for massive reaction for the buyers. So let's see, we need something good in at this moment now. So let's see what happened there. We need the reactions for the sellers. Little reaction. Defend the 50.05. Looking so strong. Let's see the reaction for the sellers. It's now in the next 2-3 minutes. If not, probably they will lose the point and we will test highest prices for around 50.15. But it depends. It depends for the next 5 minutes. So just be clear, 50.11, that 50, remember the stop is our best friend. So be clear of that, okay? Testing the highest prices. It's trying to go there. Little reaction. But the buyers continue so hard. Okay, reactions for the sellers, but we need more. We need to go back to the 5,000 at least. So let's see. Losing the pressure. Mm. This stop is taken. Stop hit gold. The stop is there. Let me announce here. Difficult reactions for 1 minute. High volatility again. Here we try to open the trade into this consolidation for 2-3 minutes. We open the trade here. Then the candles continue like with a really good pressure for around 70 pips per candle. And well, not too much to do. The stop is there. So please, please, please don't hold positions. Respect the stop. And respect your accounts too. So for that reason, the stop is there. This is for 123. This is 5. Sell. Minus 123 pips. Hmm. 23. Okay. Mm, yeah, 19. 004. So well, respect the stop, please. I'm holding. Okay, I'm in profit now. So well, if the price um break this zone, because remember we're into the sell zone. Let me work here. We're into the sell zone. If the price break the zone in the next, I don't know, 15 minutes or something like this, take care. Right now, if you are holding, that's okay. Nothing is happening right now. Just the expectation of the reactions. And well, this is the point. What we have at this moment, they test the 50-10 for go back. Probably no. Well, at this moment it's giving us another um, reactions for buyers. So this moment is losing the point. 49 is crazy if you hold a sell. Remember, we are this is scalping for some minutes or get the targets, and that's all. Most of the time, I never hold that much the trades. Um, please make a new best entry for us. So I will try. I will try. Let's see. But it depends for the next 50 minutes if the price will break or not. Price can hit the 50-50. Yes, it can hit the 50-50 exactly. But it depends of this. We have our sell zone. Well, the buy zone is here in 50 and 75. It's here. The buy zone. So now it's your patience. Let's see what happened. Unfortunately, the point wasn't the best one. But well, I tried to always try to find an accumulation and everything. So well, it hit the stop for some pips, for 1.2 pips, and now it's trying to go back to the point of entry. So if you are holding, take care of that. Take care of that. So well, if you are using Shohidulis, if you're using 150 pips, stop. Probably your account, your position will continue with no issues there because the position still working. But well, the problem with this, the songs always will be work. Um, But again, we are not we are not in an easy positions for clarify, the point of entry like so strong and everything. And what happened in these points, for example, in 1 minute, I always try to find a good position here. For example, I trying to use this consolidation in 1 minute. It give us the point of entry and everything, and try to give an acceptable stop with the according the high volatility what we are having. But again, it did 120 pips in 4 minutes, and that's all. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. It's the conditions what we have. We need to accept that conditions. Just try to take the risk. Just try to take the risk, and that risk again. Remember, guys, we're using the we're using where is this? Where is this? Where is this? Here. The lot size what we are using now, just for everyone be clear, 0.01 100 pips means $10, for example. Okay. Well, try to use always according your account size. This table, making a screenshot or something. The ones who are not into the Telegram or the Discord, and guy with that table. Why? Because it's a must to use this type of tables with this high volatility. Okay. So well, B still again. No, we are waiting. We're not going to use the same point as a point of entry. Okay. Too much spam. Perfect. 50-12 no tocó. Yo inclusive iba a poner 50-12, pero bueno, al final no salió. Así que toca seguir esperando. We are waiting. Still waiting. The Southern continue working. But not too much issues. But it depends for the next minutes if we can clarify the position. Okay. The ones who were still holding, remember, take care of the position. We already hit this stop, so please take care of that. Okay, take care of that. Long candle week on 30 minutes, it's still bullish. Let's see the next candle for yourself. Yes, exactly. I'm waiting basically to see to clarify if the sun will continue working for the next hour or not. Um, and well, it depends of the well, as you can see, the price give us a reaction there. Not that much. ¿TP dónde? Bueno, TP ya ahorita estamos fuera de la entrada, entonces a esperar. Estamos esperando. We're still waiting. Waiting 3 minutes. The position is not taken. Just we are waiting. Really difficult results for New York this week. We would like to candle to 5010. Yes, again, remember, we are here. If we are in this point, it's just continue for clarify what happened with the Celsius. That's all. I'm not preparing a position here now. Just waiting. Being patient, and that's all. Testing again the 5010. We're not waiting nothing. At this point, nothing, my friend. Kim Solier. Not a confirmation. We got the confirmation into this pin bar reaction. This one. That was our confirmation, and then we tried to wait the retracement in the next candle. What the next candle? This one. We try to wait the retracement. The position ends near to the 5,000. But well, it hit the stop. And well, this is the reaction for the point. So well, at this moment, just wait, be patient. That's all. We're waiting. The 1 hour candle ends. Why? Because if the one candle hour ends more than 50.05, this also will change to the long position. So we will change the plan for open long position, and that's all. Okay, so stay there. Let's be patient and let's try to recover. In 30 minutes, it looks like really strong. In 30 minutes, it's breaking the sell zone. But it depends for the next other 30 minutes or 50 minutes for clarify if they will defend or not at this point. If we continue like this, inclusive, we have the air 5060. The next target is the 5060. 5060 here. Again, sell for the last point, what we did here. Mhm. And well, remember, if you want to work with this with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts for many prop firms, for the most trustable prop firms into the market. So if you want to be a funded trader, just click into the link, check the options, and take advantage of the discounts. Many discounts for this month. And of course, the link is into the description and the link is into the chat, guys. Just make me a favor and click into the link. When you hit back the sell, so you place to do the thing will sell. No, I don't think at this point I'm not expecting nothing. Just I'm seeing the target for see what happened, but the sell zone is not open at this moment. The sell zone is already closed. My maximum stop loss was there, and that's all. Okay. So let's see what happened. Just be patient, guys. We will work together for the recover. With Nasdaq, I have an issue with the Nasdaq nowadays. It's breaking the suns with the. For example, yesterday just it fall so hard. Um, and well, I always share the points into the Discord. So we can try an Nasdaq trade if we see some retracement. Breaking, breaking the sun. Okay. Well, we can prepare a Nasdaq trade too. So let's see. Because probably gold is going to be rerouted today. Again, remember, we are we are not into a trade. We already hit the stop, so for that reason, we are not taking any position. Okay, so be clear of that. I don't have a sell zone very clear for 50-20 to be honest. Just for 50-50, it could be a zone. Okay. It depends for the next candles, as you can see in the testing, higher prices, reactions for sellers. And well, remember if you want to be part of the community, today is the last day with the discounts. Um, for the San Valentin week, today is the last days. That's all. That's all. This is the last day. And some people tell me like, can you wait for next Monday, as you know. Why? Today is the last day for the discounts, and that's all, guys. If you want to apply for the get more entries, get the simple entries, or just receive the support or learn the strategy into the Discord, you're more than welcome into the link for WhatsApp. So well, good reaction for sellers. Looks like a beautiful shooting start. And again, for any reminder that this we are using, this is for everyone. Please use this type of lot size, guys. The lot size is here. The lot size is here. Yeah, the mom. Well, if you want to ask the information, there is the option, my friend. Just ask into the WhatsApp. For why demon? Why demon? I don't know. It's that the correct pronunciation. Pinbar will confirm this. Yes, well, the pinbar looks beautiful. Okay, okay. I have here the correction. Well, let's see. How to, my friend? I already just click into the link of WhatsApp. Just click into the link of WhatsApp, and that's all. Well, start preparing for AM, 11 a.m. Probably yes. Most of the time, this hour is starting to the um. Ninguna entrada aún, no, aún no. Estamos esperando, tranquilos. Where are you from? I'm from Costa Rica. Creo que podríamos ver 49.85. Depende de los próximos 15 minutos. We try our best position here. Why was our best position? First, we got this candle, this pin bar reaction into the sell zone. Okay, this one was the pin bar. Sorry, the shooting star was here. The shooting star was here. Then we try to open the. We try to wait the retracement, the best retracement what I can with a consolidation, but the price just break the sun. So at this moment, I'm not going to recommend any position into this point because, as you can see, the price is trying to go up. So probably two options: there's a trap for buyers, so just it will continue for the um long positions to 50 or something like this. It will depends for the next 15 minutes again, so just be patient, and that's all. Pure patience. I will prepare another entry NASDAQ too. Let's see. Buenos días, Evis. Bueno, creo que ya te he respondido. Okay, Lobito will make us rig. Not prettiest chart. Yes, not the prettiest structure at this moment. Now again, we got another shooting start. Another shooting start. So let's see. Sell? No. And yes, guys, remember the lifetime subscription means it's just one payment, and that's all. As simple as that. I'm not going to every month just go and ask for renewals or something. It's a one payment. Okay. Now it's trying to go. What a beautiful reaction. What a beautiful reaction here. Beijing is the name of the name game today. Don't rush for a setup. Yes, the last position and try again. Again, guys, I'm going to explain a game. I just it gave me the confirmation, so for that reason I opened the trade. But well, the high volatility is like this, like the 100 pips and everything. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful reaction. So that means the sell zone will continue there. The sell zone will continue there. Um, well, that's make me sad, a little sad for the last trade because it wasn't a good zone. But well, even if we take this position, for example, in 50.05, it will touch this line. So well, not too much to do. Just wait, guys. We can recover it. So, well, beautiful, beautiful reactions there. Yeah, that type of confirmation it's probably. But the thing is, mm, the point was working good, but I fall into the I don't want to say the ground confirmation, but this scandal I was expecting a really good reactions. But I don't think the duck it will give us a retracement for open a sell position. To be honest, for that reason, and saying like I'm sad for that position because it was a nice position. But well, this is the this is the market conditions, guys. And well, almost probably it will complete the targets. Mm, 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 not sure. Did you open a deal? No. No, again, I'm waiting. ¿Cómo aprendiste a tradear oro? Bueno, primero que todo empecé por Forex. Entonces, bueno, por Euro, USD, USD Yen, esos pares. Y luego con el oro es puro aguante. Aguante a ver números bastante amplios, más amplios que, y movimientos más amplios que los de los pares tradicionales. Entonces es más que todo definir la zona, aguantar la zona y después de ahí tomar la entrada. Aquí lo que fallamos aquí fue un poco de la paciencia que se pudo haber tenido, esperar unos 15 minutos tal vez, y de ahí tomar una mejor posición, tal vez en 50-10 era el punto de entrada, recuerdo, pero bueno, eso es cuestión de minutos, se hace. Al final, la idea estaba bien, que es lo que nos queda, la idea estaba perfecta, estaba hermosa, pero nos tocó el stop. So, well, guys, that was, uh, I don't know how to say. It could be a beautiful, yes. And it's painful, it's painful for because the idea was great. Mm, the direction was okay. Probably if I wait 5 minutes more, I would take 50 0 10 or something like this for open the short, and we will see in the profits now. Well, this is what it is. The thing with the forex guys on trading and everything, it's the losses are going to be there always. Always you're going to lose. Sometimes you're going to win. Sometimes you're going to lose. The strategy, if you make a strong strategy, you have more possibilities to prepare yourself for this type of scenarios. Um, and well, the reaction here was beautiful. Why? Because the sell zone was there. The sell zone was there. The volume sell zone works perfectly with some retract reactions for buyers and everything. Um, and well, that's all. Arriving to the long position, I don't think we will see a long position. Really good long position, but let's see. Yes, finding the perfect entry, it's again, it's really, really difficult with this type of reactions for 70, 80 pips in 1 minute. So, for example, when I share the order into the Telegram, when I share the order into the Telegram, we were into the 5005. we were into the 50.05, and then the price instantly go to the fifth to the 49.94. So 100 pips of difference when I share the entry, when I take the entry. So for that reason, I try to wait the retracement here into these consolidations. And that's all. Probably a consolidation like this could be perfect for our entry into the 5010. But well, now it's easy to say because we are seeing the information, right? At this moment, I just was, without that information, and for that reason, I take that decision. So I just follow the my strategy. I just follow my sons, and that's all. Y sí, son muy peligrosos, muy peligrosos. Mhm. The air is leaking. Yes. So beautiful Selson, guys. Nothing to do. Let's continue. The congratulations for the ones who do the sell. Um, and well, this is the reactions. This is the market, and welcome to gold. For the ones who are news, for the ones who came here just for see the trades, guys, is every day we will learn something, and every day is like if I wait 2 3 minutes more, probably I will get better position. But again, we can see to the future. We can see to the future. If we can see to the future, we will be rich. That's all. For 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's difficult to take that decision. So just be clear of that. Stay there. Relax. We will take the a good entry. Again, the bison. The bison is giving something good. Yes, it's giving something really, really good. So what happened here? If the price give us a retest, we can apply for that retest. What do you think? It's a sell or it's time for open a long position? That would be our I guess that Yes, long. I was watching all your live streaming and noticed your average used to be in a trading week. Yes, Luca Gama. It's not an easy month. It's not an easy month. Of course, every trader have a different percentage of winning. At the end of the month, what happened? At the end of the month, the counter of the pips is still in positive. At the end of the month, I do my withdrawals for my accounts 1 or 2 weeks bad per week. That's okay. But at the over counter, we are in positive for 1,000 pips in positive. So look, I don't understand your comment probably for try to reduce my work, but my work is good, and I try my best, and I try to respect all my subscribers' money. But this is trading. This is trading. We are seeing all-time heights. We are seeing high volatility conditions with a massive candles. The last week, the last Friday, we saw a dip for 10,000 pips. That was the first time in gold that we saw a 10,000 pips in negative. So nowadays it's for the people who understand we will lose money and we will win money. We will lose sometime, we will win sometime. So well, that's the reality. If you don't like it, I invite you just unfollow me, and that's all. As simple as that. The Tokyo trade was beautiful. 170 pips instantly. That's really good. Well, it's crazy. Looks at the buyers now. Yes, the buyers touch the sun and go. So so probably here many people are starting in sell position in 40, 90, 90, and looking for a good position. But well, it's difficult. I just follow my strategy, and that's all. I'm trying to give everyone the best results what I can. But well, welcome to the world of gold. Eso no es un juego si no puedes soportar las pérdidas, más ahora que el mercado está tan volátil. Exacto, exacto. Veo mucha gente igual, triste. Obviamente uno se pone triste y demás. Bueno, digamos que triste, ¿verdad? Pero al final, simplemente hay que aceptarlo y ya. Eso se acepta y listo. El que no lo quiera aceptar, no es el lugar. No es el lugar ni es el momento para que puedan invertir. Si no, si no pueden aceptar la pérdida, obviamente es porque necesitan ese dinero y es totalmente aceptable. Pero si ocupan el dinero, trading no es para ustedes. usted va a hacer trading y si no tiene plata, pues lo hace con una cuenta demo o lo hace con una cuenta de fondeo para practicar y demás. Pero si no, no es el lugar. Y suena feo y todo lo que quieran, pero es la realidad. Si usted está preocupado por la plata que ingresó en su broker, no es el momento de invertir. Good weekend. I hold a small buy. Now it's already in B. Perfect. No beer. Excellent. Fondeo. 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 Menos con esta volatilidad. La semana pasada estuve con la cuenta real y se, se desconectó el broker. Eh, se me fue bastante. Se me fue bastante en la bajada. Entonces, ahorita estoy con las cuentas fondeadas. Igual, si quieren ver las cuentas de fondeo, simplemente vayan a promformatch.com. Ahí tienen demasiadas opciones, muchos descuentos para todos. Remember, if you want to be part of the community of Proper Match, just go there, choose what is the best for you, because that's what I'm talking in Spanish. If you don't have money, just try to, if your account is for around 20 50 pips, sorry, 20 $50, and you're trying to work with this volatility, it's going to be very difficult for you. Guys, here you have many options, many discounts here: 30% discount, 20% discount, 35% discount, 50% discount for accounts, 40% discounts for accounts. Many options there into the performatch.com. There you will see what is the best options for you according your country, according your expectations, according your knowledge, of course. Just go there. And you will receive all that information into the performatch.com. Beautiful website for clarifying what is the best option for you if you want to start a challenge and if you want to protect your capital. So the link is into the description and the link is into the chat, guys. Remember, this is not Proper Match is not a company. It's just a website, and in that website, you can read many options, many preferred companies for different companies there. The most trustable are listed there. ¿Quién va a vender en el precio haciendo una cuña bajista en 1H? Sí, hay que esperar. Now we are waiting, guys. If the price don't touch the 50.05, I'm not going to open the long position. If the price, just let me. If the price don't come again here, this is the two options. This is the two options what we have at this moment. Exacto. 550.05, por ahí anda. Ok. So well, okay. So the price is arriving again. The price is arriving again. So let me clean the chart. Okay. Re-entry is possible. Yes, the re-entry is possible. Just what is the best instant funding account that pays with no issue and that block the payout? What's up? I don't recommend the instant funding because instant funding is really really difficult. They always have consistency rule very strict. So yes, take care. I recommend the phase 2 or phase 3 challenge. Phase 2 or phase 3 challenge. Just go again or read the rules. Read the rules. You have many options there. Many options there. Yes, 5 minutes. I'm trying to see the 1 minute candle. Okay, guys, price is arriving. Be clear. Let's try to do it again. Let's try to do it good. So at least 50-10. We need to see good reaction there. 50.07. 50.08. Okay, 08. Testing the point. 0.10, 50, 0.10, sorry, 50.10. So let's try the position there. Opening the position now. Testing the 0.5. Okay, starting in 50.06, not the best one, but well. Let's see if we have some luck or not. It depends for the next candles. Working into the TPS. 87. Let's see. Now again, pressure for the buyers. This is 479. Okay. So we got a little consolidation there. Again, testing the 50-15. Now looks so difficult. Uh, and it will touch this stop probably. The pressure looks so strong. Again. Stop hit. Beautiful candle for 80 pips. 100 pips. I think it was for. No, one candle for 100 pips. So, well, what happened here again? We tried to open the short position near to this consolidation here, but well, one candle for around 120 pips. Took the position, took the confirmation there, and that's all. Two stops. Again, two stops in New York session, giving us really bad results. Really, really bad results. So, 50 pips. And this one is for 20, 18. Really bad week in New York session. You know, this is the 6. For New York session, it was really, really bad. So well, first it gives us a really good results for the Celsius. Then just the price go back, give us this candle, massive candle. Not too much to do, not too much to do there. Funny creatures. And well, New York session give us 6 trades, 5 really bad trades, just a good sell, but well, wasn't enough. Tokyo session give us four trades. Um, Three good trades. One stop. Was was a really good session for Tokyo, but New York was so bad. So well, next time it's this. I'll be back here for New York, of course. Today I'm not going to take another position. No reason to take this the position again. So that's all for today. Insane price action. Yes, insane price action. Exactly. For that reason, we use the stop loss, guys. We use the stop loss, and we use the um, we use the reduce the lot size. Okay. See. Okay, boy. Gonna run it through. Begin. Mm. Mm. Because it begins. Market ain't happy with us. Yes, market is not happy with us, of course. Well, for many people here, with these two reactions, for example, into the long position was in 49.75, but it was a reaction was instantly. Now it's a little reaction there in 50.32, but it's significant, nothing to that. Everything I follow your trade, I get a stop loss. You're the king of era. Perfect, Jana. If you don't like it, just get out of my channel. If you are not prepared to lose, get out of my channel. Get out of my channel. I really appreciate your unfollow. It's not great. Didn't take any trades so far. Yes, it's a really hard, massive reactions. Should lose shame of fans following this channel. That happens, my friend. That happens. Break even. Why not? If you're in a long position, mm, look at there. Friday is not good. Friday it sometimes is good, sometimes it's bad. Probably that was the last push for buyers. Now it will hit the it goes back, but well, it depends. It depends. It's just a bad time, but you trade always give me profit. I know, and thanks for accept. Two stop loss hit today. Yes, exactly. Two stops, same as I think Tuesday. Same on Tuesday, I think. Why you don't break even your trades? It's greedy. Because the profit wasn't that good, you know. I said the break even in TP2 most of the time, or TP1 sometimes. You should have the etiquette when you talk to female. To be honest, I don't care, Jana. Just get out. If you respect me, I don't care if you are a female or male. I don't care. You are respect me. You respect my work. So don't feel you reserve respect by my side. I don't care about you. So more than welcome to unfollow me. I don't care if you're a female or a male. This is trading, and I don't care, to be honest, if you're a male or female. I can take care of the numbers, and that's all. It's okay, brother. It's part of trading. Marito's right. This market is not one bigger. Make the rich decisions, institutions sound, liquidity. Yeah, there's some pretty hard reactions. Really hard reactions, and not much to do. Not too much to do, guys. Really bad week. Mm. With you always trades and use of profit. Thanks, my friend. I know one of the oldest members of the channel. So, well, guys, the reactions here was really good in 50.35, but well, we opened the trade in 50.06. Reactions for 1 minute candle. Yes, the reaction for us for 1 minute candle. It did in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, they did 230 pips in 3 minutes. So that thing happens. For that reason, we are using the lower lot size, guys. We are using the lower lot size. Resistance is shifting up. Does it mean sellers getting weaker? Yes. Bola Sam, thanks, my friend. Lorito Tays, tell me one thing. When we go long, where is the best position? Well, for a long position, probably it's 49.85. Rovenal, thanks for your time too, my friend. For the next is a good perfume that I have experience with. From the next is good. Yes, from the next is good. Thanks, my friend. Life. I know an important part of our community. Bro, can I enter sell now? No, my friend. That's all for us. This is the recap of the week. 10 trades. 10 trades. 6 stops. 4 profits for trades. Yesterday was the best trade for 240 pips profit. So yes, we reduce significant the counter of the pips this week. 879 pips in positive at this point. The last week's was better than this one. Um, Daniels. So that's the problem. Use the proper lot size. Use the proper lot size for your account. If you are not using the proper lot size for your account, of course, your account will be disappear. In Telegram, it's the same. In Telegram, I share. You have the information into the Telegram for this. As simple as that. You have the table into the Telegram for use the proper lot size for your account. So 0.01 for 100 pips means $10. So if your account is for $100, use the 0.01. That's all. If your account is for 1,000 dollars, for example, use the 0.05, for example. That would be $50 per trade, something like this. And well, because we are into the high volatility market conditions. So for that reason, I create for you this table for the examples and be clear of that. Okay. If you don't use it, that's up to you. But well, my recommendations always is there. USD yen, can you recommend a trade? No, I'm not going to trade USD yen this week. We are almost finishing the session, so no reason. God is not sell, it's buy. Always the best idea for gold is open a long position. To be honest, um, and well, it depends for these conditions. Okay. Exactly. Exactly. If you oversize your account, probably that thing happens. This you will destroy the account. Yes, for today happens the for the Nasdaq. I was planning a position in Nasdaq here. But for I don't know, one pip it didn't touch my alert. For that reason, it missed this position because I was focusing in gold. But well, um, yes, the oversizing will destroy your accounts, guys. So be clear of that. Yes, London sometimes has a better move, but well, I'm trying to do Tokyo. Tokyo giving us uh, good positions there. They have a chance to enter a sell. Just now follow tip, earning 20 key today. Perfect. No, this moment is nothing, my friend. I want to know, brother, should I become a full trader or part-time trading is good? For Sky, that depends of you. If you are receiving profits and you if you don't have, for example, uh, too much expensive at this moment, or you hate your work, stay with your work. 6 8 months more, practice too much in trading. I know in 6 or 8 months it will be better. You can quit your job and then continue with a full-time trader, but it depends of you. That means too bad, Tokyo is because the middle of the night here. Yes, I know for some people it's difficult to trade Tokyo, but well, I can do that much to this, you know. I always set my I always start Tokyo in the same hour. Always share the entries at the same time, you know, in the same hours. So well, it depends of that. Try to came to us in Tokyo session. Tokyo session is quiet. That's the different than gold. Today, for example, we got the CPI news. Well, the high impact news. Probably for that reason, the market is a little wild today. But I was expecting a really good. I was expecting a really good conditions today. But well, um, I learned it's very gold bigger in lots in Tokyo. For example, in Tokyo, yesterday I used the around 0.25, 0.25 lot, and today I'm using 0.15. I reduced it 10 pips for, well, 10, 0.10 for the entry for the same reason. Otherwise, gold is very rangy today and can hit stop loss. It loses a lot. Yes, many. Um, and well, and the other thing is people is saying like, oh no, you always win in Tokyo, but in New York session, your session is too bad. I received these comments today. Uh, well, this week. But again, I'm going to repeat. I'm not came here in front of 700, 800 people just for lose. You know, of course, I prefer to win. But well, the conditions it's like this. The conditions ends like this. It is what it is. We can do nothing. So well, what's your experience with FTMO? It's really good. Bitcoin of weekends. Not this weekend. This weekend is for San Valentin, so I need to stay with my wife and my daughter. So, talking about San Valentin, remember if you want to be part of the community, today is the last day with the discounts. Okay, today is the last day with the discounts. So, if you want to participate with us into the Telegram and Discord, it's I know it's a really bad week, but well, we will have really bad weeks too in the future, and we will have really good weeks in the future. But well, again, if you don't like this to lose, probably it's not the place for you guys. It's really good for if you want to learn or something, grow up as a trader. Discord is a really good spot for you. If you are already a trader and you know how to take entries with a really clear information, of course you will respect the stop loss. Um, you can be part of the Telegram with no issues. I can't stop thinking about it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. License PM. Mm-hmm. There is a 50 minutes. I mean, what do you think for this weekend? Holding gold or long short? I don't recommend to hold you positions on weekends. Why? Because many gaps for the Mondays. So if you want to try to avoid to the gaps, don't hold positions in negative. Jesus, my friend, um, it's a pleasure, my friend, always having you here. Thanks to you. Fuck the rest, yes. Fuck the haters. Love for Pakistan. Thanks, my friend. Well, guys, really painful. We have two really painful days. For Tuesday and Friday was really painful. Two stops there. Um, Crypto gold move from oversold, so next weekend. Yes, probably yes. Cheers, Rita. Everyone have a great weekend. It's not a clean trade. We try to open a sell position and we lose the position. Love from Turkey. Thanks, my friend. See you next weekend. Just smart. Thanks for your support, my friend. So, well, guys, by my side, that's all. Really, really, really bad week. Really, really bad week. Um, for today, two stops. That's all. That's maximum stops per day. I'll be back here for the next New York session. Back for the people into the Telegram. Next Tokyo session. Tokyo session. Let's see. Let's see what we have for the next week. Let's expect something good. Less news and everything. Thanks for your support, guys. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the dislikes. And remember, today is the last day with the Telegram signals and the Discord support and discounts for San Valentin. Today is the last day. It's not for free. So just click into the link if you are interested. Okay. See you soon, guys. Thanks for the support. Remember, today is the last.